All right, guys, what's going on? So, we are sponsored by Simpson. They are one of our partners. So let's see what we got in the box today. I think everybody knows what it is, but let's see what it's going to be. Let's see what it's going to be. And then I've got, so I didn't even know this was coming in. So I had clear hosing on, but guys, as y'all know, my car is black and silver, and I would actually like this black hoses better than what I had. And then the two CO2 launchers. Oh, very nice. Very nice. So good quality. So this, oh, look at that. They gave me everything I need. I thought I was going to have to go and get me a T and everything. They've got a 90 in here for me. Another 90. All right, so they got all the hardware for this. So it looks like I'm just hooking up hoses to my existing CO2 lines. This is awesome. Thanks, Holley, Simpson. Nice job, guys. Because I didn't get any of this with my other parachute. So look at that. That's great. All right. And then, guys, all of our partners, sponsors, vendors, everybody, I love stickers. All right, so let's get into it. So we've got our plate that basically pushes out the parachute. We've got our CO2 launcher. We've got our stop plate, crescent wrench, and some just other wrenches just to hold. And I'll show you guys what we're going to do here in just a minute. So first things first, if I make any mistakes, I know somebody's going to say something in the comments, so please correct me if I'm wrong. Guys, my first time doing this. So what I did with the other one was unscrew this, take and put it in the bottom, screw this in. Very simple, very easy. Then I grabbed the plunger. All right, and now what I did was I put this one all the way tight. I held it with my channel locks. Gave this a little snug. All right, that's all the way down. Then I took my Simpson stop plate. Popped it out. Move that. Take my nut. Put it over the top of this one. Yes, my fingers work some days, but not today. No, I'm just joking. All right, and then screw that down. Same process. They've got a little notch on the backside of here that I'm just holding, and I'm just tightening this thing down as much as I possibly can. I was thinking about putting some blue Loctite on them, but I think the way it is closes pretty well. And like I said, when the CO2 goes off, the parachute will literally just launch out and push the bottom of the bag all the way out. Really good install, really good aluminum. All right, so now I need to show you guys what I'm doing. So, still taking the Simpson, needless to say, Simpson. So, taking the parachute, I've put it together, just basically the cylinder. And also, I need to tell you guys, hey, don't put this on right now. This will be put on after you put it in the bag. Okay, so just take the nut off of there, take this plate off. But what I did buy is that I bought 2 of these Motion Raceworks. Basically, they're just parachute cable holders. That's all they are. So it's going to hold your parachute cable. It's not going to let it flop around. It's a pretty really secured. It's not going to stab you when you're walking past the car or anything like that. But you definitely want to do this. And guys, this can always turn. So it's going to be basically like that. Okay. But again, take this off. Don't put this on here. That was a step that I messed up before, okay? Also, one other thing. Yes, you do have to drill this. These do not come pre-drilled. Very simple, very easy. Just grab your drill, mark your holes, put this mounting plate on there, mark your holes, drill them, and then, needless to say, it's just a lock nut underneath the bottom of it, okay? Very simple, very easy, guys. All right, so here we go. So pretty easy install. Just make sure, you know, when you put your plate on, none of these holes are drilled. So just put the cable plate behind it, drill your hole, put it in there. This will hold your cable. So that's not a big deal. And then, like I said, just drill your holes for your plate. Pretty simple, pretty easy, guys. And I do appreciate the partnership with Simpson and Holley. So we've got this done. All we got to do is sleeve the back of it. I've got one, these are a little bit longer. So I'm just going to sleeve these by 1/2 inch to make sure I've got the right pitch on it, to make sure it's coming at me just a little bit more. And the reason why is that these are just a little bit longer. So I'm just going to pick them up by 1/4 inch, maybe 1/8 inch, just get them off the bumper. And then all of them are quick connect. All these are quick connect, guys. I mean, literally just push a hose in, and I'll have an adapter here with a T. And so if you can just think of it, it's just going to come out of here, and it's going to T to here, and you literally just push the hose. Cut the hose to length, and then just push it in there. And like I said, the T, I've got over the workbench. I might as well show you guys. I showed you in the unpacking. Sorry about the blower. It's 90-something degrees in here. But check it out, guys. Quick, simple, easy. Just push the hose in there and it's done. So, easiest setup I've ever done with a parachute. So, this is Simpson. Guys, it is phenomenal. The quality is better than ever I've ever had it. So, like I said, guys, Simpson Racing. All right. So, we're back at it again. So, we've got our spacers. We put some spacers in here to make sure that we basically get the launchers off of the car. And then I'm going to put the T in there and then hook up the hoses. All right, now this is the time when you actually take the stop plunger, actually the stop sign, and you put it on the plunger. This bag is cut open right here, so just slide it up here, push that in. So now we got 2 parachutes. So now we're going to mount the parachutes down here as an anchor, and then we're going to fold them up, pack them up, and put them all in here. All right, we finally got it all put together. I've been waiting on this fitting right here. So basically it's a 3/8 NTP, and these are all just push air connectors. So I've got that, I've got it ran into the line. Only thing I gotta do is my switch. I've gotta put that on the catch tank. That's about it. Now I'm just pulling the parachute cable cords in. So these are going to be the ones that's going to be released. So I'm going to cut this all to length to make it look good. But I got the parachutes all attached. So everything's done. This is with Precision Fabrication's help. But guys, it's done. And let me tell you something. You guys that have those other parachutes from those other companies, these are simple. All you got to do is do the regular fold and then put the risers right here in the parachute, fold it up a couple of times, put it in the bag, and you're done. That's how simple and easy Simpson parachutes are. So guys, I'm telling you what, we did not go with Simpson just for sponsorship and all that kind of stuff. These are the very best parachutes on the market. We love them. The air launchers, everything works. So I'm gonna pack them up now and we'll show you the final product. Well, all right guys. So it's done. So we got both parachutes mounted. Everything is completed. I'm probably going to pull them back just a little bit. Just pull this cable back just a little bit. You know, I don't want so much hanging over. But basically it's done, guys. So they are aired up right now. They're hard as a concrete. And they're ready to be thrown. So, all right. So in this next one I'm going to show you guys, I'm just going to pull them without going down the track, and they'll both eject. They're only going to go probably 3 or 4 feet, but still look cool. All right, guys, now we're going to show you how we throw the chutes. There it is, man. That's as far as that they come out. They extend out. This is like a mini parachute bag, so this catches air, and then it basically pulls everything out of the chute. But there we go, Simpson Racing. All right, guys. So, hey, let's just recap everything that we've done. The reason why we went to a dual parachute, guys, is that, I don't know if y'all saw the video, the parachute got hung up We're at 181 miles an hour in a 4,200-pound car, guys, and that's the reason why we went to double parachutes. We will be getting up over 200 miles an hour, but I would still say with these big, heavy cars, if you're a 170 and higher, just go dual parachute, guys. It's just for safety. Simpson, to me, is the best product out there. If you look at some of the biggest names in racing, this is what they use. All right. So we do have it on the car. So we got Simpson on the car. And guys, here's another tip. Please do not leave your parachute packed on the back of your car. All right. You need to sit there and unpack them. If you're not racing, just throw them in the back of the car. That is my charger, and I just got them just thrown in here loosely. So, but that's another key, guys. Do not leave your parachutes packed up. When they get launched, they're going to be like a rock, and they're not going to unfurl. They're not going to, basically just come out. So keep them loose and then pack them day of. But guys, this install is done. I'm telling you what, easiest parachutes to pack. There's so much room in these bags, guys. So much room. So everything's done. Everything is installed. All the cables. I did put this on there for Motion Raceworks. It's just a cap. I've trimmed them all back. But this is all done, guys. Again, guys, put parachutes on your car, especially if you're over 150. Gotta have a parachute, guys. It's just, once the brakes go out and you've glazed your brakes, well, guess what? Good luck stopping these cars. So, guys, please be safe. Get a parachute. And this is what it looks like. All done. So, I think it looks fantastic. So, Prestige Fabrication did all the fab work. Simpson and Holley, thank you very much for the partnership. Guys, this is done. Thanks a lot for watching. Hey, guys, please subscribe. We're building our YouTube channel, and I do appreciate it. Thank you very much. All right, so here we go. So pretty easy install. Just make sure, you know, when you put your plate on, none of these holes are drilled. So just put the cable plate behind it, drill your hole, put it in there. This will hold your cable. So that's not a big deal. And then, like I said, just drill your holes for your plate. Pretty simple, pretty easy, guys. And yes, sir, we already got it on the car. So I do appreciate the partnership with Simpson and Holley. So we've got this done. All we got to do is sleeve the back of it. I've got one, these are a little bit longer. So I'm just going to sleeve these by 1/2 inch, make sure I've got the right pitch on it, to make sure it's coming at me just a little bit more. And the reason why is that these are just a little bit longer. So I'm just going to pick them up by 1/4 inch, maybe 1/8 inch, just get them off the bumper. And then throw the parachutes on there, pack them up, put the hoses on there. Oh, guys, I meant to tell you guys, check this out. So all of them are quick connect. All these are quick connect, guys. I mean, literally just push a hose in, and I'll have an adapter here with a T. And so if you can just think of it, it's just going to come out of here, and it's going to T to here, and you literally just push the hose. Cut the hose to length, and then just push it in there. And like I said, the T, I've got over the workbench. I might as well show you guys. I showed you in the unpacking. Sorry about the blower. It's 90-something degrees in here. But check it out, guys. Quick, simple, easy. Just push the hose in there, and it's done. So, easiest setup I've ever done with a parachute. So this is Simpson. Guys, it is phenomenal. The quality is better than ever I've ever had it. So, like I said, guys, Simpson Racing.